Hi, my name is Amelie Carrano and this is my teaching presentation for CIT 336 about SQL-like operator. The like operator is used in a where clause for a specific pattern in a column. And just to remind, the where clause is used to extract only those records to fulfill a specified condition. I have here an example from W3 School. And in this example, we select all the customers from customers table, and the condition is the country Mexico. And we have here all the customers from Mexico. The like operator is used with two wildcards: the percent sign that represents 0, 1, or multiple characters, and the underscore that represents a single character. And here is the syntax of the like operator. We have here also some examples of the use of the like operators with its wildcards. Here the syntax where the custom name is the column, and the operator like means find and value that starts with A. When you put the person after the A, when you put the person before the A, you will find all the values that ends with A. And there are lots of options for doing this. And you also can use both wildcards to create a condition like this here, where you find all the values that starts with A and are at least 3 characters in length. I have here some examples from W3 School. Here we select all the customers from customer table, where in the customer name column, and the operator like choose all those customers name that starts with A. And here is the result. We also have the not like operator. That means to take all the customers name that don't start with A. So here we have all those that don't start with A. And this example shows all the contact names that start with A and finish and ends with O. And here contact name starting with A and ending with O. This is it. Thank you for watching this presentation.